Hello students, this is the second video for this chapter, The Untrained Mathematician. The chapter is related to the greatest mathematician Srinivas Ramanujan. In this page we have read about his great knowledge in math, that he was a great genius. But in the last passage here we also studied that as Ramanujan was genius in math, but he had no interest in English and other subject, so he failed in English and he also withdrew to get his scholarship, and this was a matter of sorrow for him, because after that he has to suffer in his education, because scholarship provides him great strength and value to proceed his education properly. Here you see in this video the next passage from page number 43. Ramanujan then moved to his grandmother's house in Madras and secured admission in Pachiyappa's college. मीन्स स्टूडेंट जब रामानुजन वहाँ पे इंग्लिश में फेल हो गए और स्कॉलरशिप से विड्रा कर गए, उसके बाद से उन्होंने तमिलनाडु का जो अपना उनका होम डिस्ट्रिक्ट होम प्लेस था उसको उन्होंने छोड़ दिया, और अब वो मद्रास पहले, अब उस मद्रास को चेन्नई के नाम से जाना जाता है, और चेन्नई का जो ओल्ड नेम था वो मद्रास था, तो मद्रास में चले गए जहाँ उनकी ग्रैंड मदर रहती थी. एंड देयर ही सिक्योर्ड एडमिशन इन पचैयप्पा कॉलेज. His maths teachers were very impressed there to see his great talent in math. The math teacher was extremely impressed to him, as he could work out problems skipping most of the steps, and he had great talent to skip out most of the steps. मीन्स बिना बीच के स्टेप्स को स्किप करके भी और उस आंसर को कंप्लीट कर सकते थे. ही हैज़ एक्स्ट्रा टैलेंट एंड मच टू द bewilderment एंड कन्फ्यूजन ऑफ हिज क्लासमेट्स. bewilderment में होता है हैरानगी, और बहुत से लोग उनमें हैरान हो जाते थे उनको देख करके. टू सी द एंड क्लासमेट्स आल्सो एंड कन्फ्यूजन ऑफ हिज क्लासमेट्स के कन्फ्यूजन को देख करके बहुत से उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा वो हैरान हो जाते थे कि कैसे ही हैज़ ग्रेट एबिलिटी टू solve the sums to skip without workout. But here again he didn't concentrate on other subjects and failed his FA Fellow of Arts examination twice in a row. But the same thing once again happening here. Once again he lost his attachment, his interest in other subject. He was only concentrating himself on the math, but here in Fellow of Art he also failed twice in a row. He missed the row, and he once again repeated the same thing here. But now everyone acknowledged his genius, and he was failed in arts, but in math the students, the teacher, everyone who acknowledged means accepted. सब लोगों ने उनके उस जीनियस माइंड को एक्सेप्ट कर लिया था. बट द एजुकेशनल सिस्टम वॉज सच दैट ही कुड नॉट ऑब्टेन अ डिग्री. ही वॉज जीनियस, ही हैड लॉट ऑफ नॉलेज इन मैथ, एवरीथिंग ही हैड, बट without qualification, without educational degree, educational system, he could not achieve a degree. मीन्स सिर्फ अपने वो सिस्टम को फोकस कर रहे थे, एक सब्जेक्ट के इम्प्रूवमेंट में वो लगे थे, लेकिन जब तक सारे सब्जेक्ट को लेकर के हम नहीं चलेंगे तब तक हमें कोई एजुकेशनल सिस्टम में हम आगे नहीं बढ़ेंगे, कोई हमें क्वालिफिकेशन डिग्री हासिल नहीं हो सकती है। एंड द सेम थिंग इज़ हैपनिंग हियर। At 20 had no qualification to speak of and no job. Now he was 20 years old, but he had no qualification. He had no degree to speak of for job, and no job to him. But he had large notebooks filled with his intricate theorem and formula. But he had large notebooks that was filled with intricate, means difficult, critical theorems and formula. The math theorem and formula, everything was contained in the large notebooks written by the great mathematician G. Srinivasan. Friends arranged for him to meet influential men who supported him financially, and the friends were trying to arrange some financial system for him. They were trying to meet him with influential men so that they could support him financially, because Ramanujan was only not succeeding due to lack of money, due to financial problem. So to get success him, the friends were trying to do their best. In the year 1911, Ramanujan's first paper was published in the Journal of the Indian Mathematical Society. Now this was the time of 1911, and Ramanujan's first paper was published also. The name was Journal of the Indian Mathematical Society. He didn't offer any proof of his theorems, perhaps because he saw no need for them, mentally working out equations and leading directly to the result. When Ramanujan's paper was published, at that time he didn't add any proof for his theorem, because he knew he has a lot of confidence, he has firm determination that there will be no problem to understand anyone. So he didn't understand any requirement to add any proof for them, and eventually he working out for equations and he was leading directly to the results. The next year, nudged means touch someone with elbow by a friend. He applied for a job with the Madras Port Trust. Finally, after the suggestion of a friend, when he was touched heartily, he applied for a job with the Madras Port Trust, and 3 weeks later, beginning 1st March 1912, Ramanujan was working as a clerk at a salary of 30 rupees per month. And now this was the time of 1st March 1912, when Ramanujan was an employee at a port trust, and his salary was 30 rupees per month. Yes, Narayan Iyer, the manager of the Madras Port Trust, and his boss was a member of the Mathematical Society. It was a very nice coincidence for him that his manager, Narayan Iyer, was the member of Mathematical Society. Ramanujan now had S. Narayan Iyer to advise him. अब एस नारायण जो थे रामानुजन को एडवाइस करने लगे थे. He explained to Ramanujan that his habits of merging many steps would not be easy for others to understand. उन्होंने काफ़ी डीप बात उनको बताया कि जो आप स्टेप स्किप करके जो आप मर्ज कर रहे हैं मैथमेटिक्स स्टेप्स को, इट इज़ नॉट गुड it is good, it is very nice, but it is not easy for all the students, because who the students who are very weak, they will not be able to understand it properly, so you avoid it. He persuaded Ramanujan to at least add a few more in between, so that his approach could be explained. Then Ramanujan wrote to G.H. Harding, a mathematician at Cambridge, and he persuaded means होता है मना करना, he persuaded Ramanujan to at least add some few steps between the sums, between the solution, so that it could be explained very clearly, and it could be approached to each hearts very easily, each minds very easily. Yes, and then Ramanujan followed his advice, he do it, and after that he means Ramanujan decided to write a letter to G.H. Hardy, a mathematician at Cambridge. He wrote a letter to him. This man was also a great mathematician at Cambridge University named G.H. Hardy. You can see here, students, this is the letter written by Srinivasan Ramanujan to G.H. Hardy, who was at Cambridge University in England. In this letter, he introduced himself about his work, about his degree, about his interest, about his perfection, everything he wrote here. And after that he decided to conclude the letter to add some more ideas, that if everything is good, and he had also included some papers in the envelope to see him. He requested that if you find it good and beneficial for the mathematics, you will publish it, and if you can do it, definitely that will be very helpful to him. And saying such type of statement and other request, he concludes the letter. This letter was definitely letter will be make a great effect for Ramanujan, and it will make a miracle for him.